Hi everyone, welcome to MojoCAD. So in this tutorial, remember we are still looking at the pellet making machine. So to the tutorial, I'm going to be doing a shaft, and I'll start straight away, and we shall use the swept command, actually the Revolve tool, and the swept command to do the shaft. So if you're new here, please subscribe here. So I'll start with this simple figure of mine, and from here straight away I will make this 22.2, 0.5, and I'll make this sorry, not 5.8, it's 5.8880. Then all of this I'll make it 5.58, and from here it will be 250. Yeah, like that. Then I'll make this one 25 millimeters. So this is it, this is the shaft. So I'll be adding the Revolve tool to place so that you can all see how this comes out. So they are telling me axis of revolution. I'll select this, and boom, this is it. So this is the shaft that I'll be using, and yeah, keep around for another tutorial. Thank you.